Hey guys. Uh, yes, bitch. Getting to her. Court. The lighting ain't that good in this bathroom. But let me see if I could get in the, yeah. Can you guys see me? Oh, that's a little better. Oh, bitch. Look at her. She's a bad bitch, okay? Courtney is in full motherfucking effect, bitch. You better watch the fuck out for Courtney. Oh, Courtney. Courtney ain't playing. Okay, guys, now I'm just leaving the movie theater. I had so much fun. You know, sometimes I'm a what am I say? I wanted to say yes, bitch. We got a little green on the eyes, ooh, and some pink on the lips. That's coochie pink. We're not gonna say pussy pink. That's coochie pink. Well, it's not coochie pink, but cause my other lip gloss is coochie pink, coochie pink. This is just coochie pink, okay? Bitch. Yes, I'm feeling. You know what? I gotta get into this here. Get into this here, bitch. Okay, get into her. Get into her. We went with a middle part. Yes, bitch. I don't know if I want to flat iron her yet. But yes, bitch. Okay, now. I went to see the Lego movie, you know. I wanted to yeah. I actually was gonna go on a date, but then I thought to myself, I wanted to spend a little time with myself and take myself out. You know, for those ladies, sometimes you have to date yourself, you know. You have to splurge on yourself a little bit, you know, because uh my aunt used to always tell me, treat yourself the way you would want to be treated. If you want anybody to treat you good and spoil you and do all amazing things to you, the way you treat yourself is how others would treat you. Okay, so get into her, get into her. Oh, yes. So, yes, sometimes, like I said, for those of you who's looking for a man's validation, sometimes fuck what the next man think, okay? If he don't think worthy of you, fuck what if him, her, whatever. Fuck what they think. If you, long as you know that you're worthy, and long as you know your worth, then that's all that matters, you know. So ladies, I'm you know, sometimes, like I said, spend time with yourself, date yourself sometime, and yeah, because one thing I noticed is it seems, I'm not saying that's what it is, I'm just saying it's how it seems. It seems like every time I go out by myself, I get more attention. Kind of like you don't bring sand to the beach. Okay, we get it. Cool. But I get more attention when I'm out by myself than if I was, of course, you know, than if I was to go on a date. Of course, ain't nobody gonna really talk to me. Well, I've been on a few dates where guys would just be bold enough to still, you know, talk to me, even if I'm on a date. But it's not as much. But yes, I get more attention than when I'm out by myself on a date. Then yeah. But yes, ladies, like I said, date yourself sometime. Like I said, you ain't gotta, you know, if you don't have it, you just don't have it. But you ain't gotta be walking around with the most expensive shit on, and you know, going broke, buying all this expensive shit. You ain't gotta do all that, you know. Just taking yourself out, you know, treating yourself to something. If you really love cheesecake, then treat yourself to a slice of cheesecake. If you really like going to the movies, treat yourself to a movie, you know. If you really like theme parks and you know, theme parks and stuff like that, treat yourself sometime, you know. Like I said, you don't have to spend. One thing I'm learning as well is a lot of women require men to take them on these lavish, expensive dates and stuff like that. And I'm learning too, even when you treating yourself, when you, if you, like I said, if you just ain't got it, you just ain't got it, you know. But even, okay, how can I say this? Splurging on yourself big and lavishly once in a while is okay. It's okay, you know. That's okay. But you can't expect a man to splurge on you every single day huge if you don't do it to yourself. And I'm learning that, you know. So like I said, ladies, treat yourself the way you will want a man to treat you, or if you will want a female to treat you. For those gays, look out, bitches. Yes. So treat yourself the way you will want your future partner, or if you are with a partner already, then treat yourself the way you would want them to treat you. Because and I'm gonna leave you guys, I'm gonna close with this, and I'm gonna say, if you feel like you're not being treated the way that you want to be treated, before you walk away, because we got people that's in marriages, people in relationships that they just count the relationship a lot, you know, call it quits because their partner not treating them the way that they want to be treated. Communication is the first key. Communication is number one. You have to communicate with your partner on how you want to be treated. If they treating you bad, let them know how you would want to be treated, you know. And I'm gonna leave you guys with that. So like I said, I went to see, you know, sometimes I can be a big kid at heart, so I decided to go see the Lego movie. And oh bitch, I felt like a little kid at a damn amusement park. And it's funny because they had like an amusement park. I wonder if they still got that amusement park going on. Do they still got that amusement park going on? I don't know. They probably gonna close it up in a couple of days. But that Lego movie, bitch, you guys to go check that Lego movie. Take your kids, you know, take whoever you need to take. If you have kids, go see the Lego movie. Sometimes it don't hurt to be a big kid, you know. Everybody, I'll speak on that another day. But yes, bitches, yeah. Yes, I hope you guys have a blessed and prosperous day. And bitch, get into Courtney, because Courtney she doing it, bitch. Courtney is, yes. Look at Courtney. Look at Courtney. Honey. Hunty. Hunty. Look at Courtney. Courtney got the earrings going on. Yes, Courtney don't play. She comes to slay, bitch. Courtney comes to slay. Okay? Now, out my face, peasants.